I'll teach you guys how you guys can accept a Spotify family plan invite. So to get an invite on Spotify family plan, you need to get a link, and to whoever that link is being shared, that person can join. So let's say your friend sent you a link. You want to paste the link on your browser. After you paste the link on your browser, it's going to take you to the inviting page. Now over here on this page, you can add yourself. Now the reason it says that link has expired is because I've already joined the family plan. That's why I'm not able to. But if you enter the link, it is going to take you to the place where you guys can either accept or reject. Now you want to click on accept once you go to the page. Once you're in that page and you accept it, basically you have done. You will be joining Spotify family plan. It's that simple. So I hope you understand how we guys can join family plan on Spotify. Just make sure you get the invite and you can paste the link of the invite and join the Spotify family plan. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.